Index pointing up light skin tone. The drain in Jamnagar Mohalla should be cleaned as soon as possible on an emergency basis. There are 6 mosques on the path of this drain, which are presenting a view of the pond. And these 30,000 people are suffering from various diseases. Baldia Town, Jamnagar Aisha Masjid UC6. Ward 3 District Kamari Masjid. Ka Rasta Talab Ka Manzar.
जहानत जुर्रत पत्थर